what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a Lego tutorial. Before we start, I just need to tell you that in this video there will be a hidden Lego Steve somewhere. So if you can find him, comment down below the timestamp where you first saw him. Okay, so I came up with this idea yesterday. I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool to see a person on the back of my Lego train, which I was just playing around with yesterday. So then I thought, I had one first idea, which was to make this thing. But as you can see by the video, it kind of just goes upside down and goes willy-nilly all around the place because of the wheels. So I tried a bunch of different ideas, and then I was thinking, maybe we better have a dome shape on the bottom, so then it wouldn't get caught and go ding 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 ding, be more flatter and smoother. Before we carry on, I just need to tell you about what Lego sets I'm using. So I'm using the set number 60197, which is the Lego passenger train, and I'm also using the rails, which is 60238 and 60205. But you can use this with any Lego train. As you can see, the rails shape is one curved for every two straight lines, so it's curved, straight, 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 curved, straight, straight, until it all connects into a big circle. So I thought of that so that way the corners wouldn't be too sharp around and it would just fall off. So my first idea for the dome shape was having just a dome and then the person sitting on top. Of course, then we go and add the chain, which will connect over here onto the thing, and then onto the back of the train, a 2x2 one stud piece, so that way it's even in the center of the train. So I tried this. It does actually work pretty well, but it still turns upside down sometimes on a few occasions. So I wanted to kind of improve that so it wouldn't do that. Adding a second person onto the train as well, and I separated these two pieces off here and then attached them onto the sides. Also worked okay, but it's still kind of, once one got stuck and turned upside down, then they both went crazy and turned upside down. I thought I could fix that, and I tried a couple of different options, but the main option, which worked the best, was adding a 2x4, flat 2x4, across both of them, connecting them up. That made them go faster, that made them be able to handle higher speeds. That was what I ended up coming to. So the chains is two chains. One of them's a longer one of them's a shorter one, and I just connected them to the top. They work pretty well. So usually with this concept, usually one of them was on the track while the other one was just on the side of the track. And then sometimes if they got loose, I've got a couch there, and every time it hit the couch, it popped them back on. So it's a good idea to have like a barrier or some sort to like a heavy thing, which they can't get through, to pop them back on. So I found this quite useful. Now I'm just going to show
some random videos that I recorded today. Enjoy!
use the Lego Ninjago spinners to make it curved, a good curved shape.
Some random videos that I recorded today. Enjoy!